NASDAQ this week has rise in value, and what happened, price has started the week with this bearish candle, and then it has reached this uptrend trend line, which is acting as a support, bouncing from this one and formed a bullish breakout on a Tuesday, where the price continued to rise value for the next 2 days, and then on a Friday, small bearish candle formed with lower price levels compared to the previous 2 days. Week has closed as a bullish, and this is a great signal for the bulls as it looks. For example, what we can see after the price has formed this indecision candle with the larger wick on the lower side, smaller wick on the upper side, right here at the confluence of resistance in the previous week. Currently, the price has formed a bullish breakout, which is indicating further rise in value. Monthly still open. We have 2 weeks more to go, so I will not comment too much for here because it is not very clear what would happen. But currently, how we see this one is a bullish. It's a bullish formation because we can see the price is trying to make a bullish breakout above 20,000, where the price could reach again all-time high price level 21,000. Weekly shows us that the price has formed a bullish breakout, which is suggesting further rise in value, and the daily is also formed this bullish breakout. It is validated, and currently it is in the middle, this support and this resistance. So the price is trying to reach the first resistance level is 20,446, and this is something that I am expecting next week that the price will reach, and we'll see what happens from there. If the price makes a bullish breakout above this one, it will be a great information for the price, where the price will continue to rise in value to the next one, where 21,000 is the next target. So this is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.